Bum, bum, bum. Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. Today we are at the 62nd Street stop for the D train in Bensonhurst, Brooklyn, for one of the most iconic subway platform scenes, I guess, ever, because there aren't a lot of subway platform scenes, but the climax of one of the greatest car chases in history ever filmed takes place here. And if you haven't guessed already, this photograph from this scene was taken right here. That's the French Connection, filmed in 1971, right here on this platform in Bensonhurst, Brooklyn. Bensonhurst, also, by the way, is the home of my most excellent father-in-law, Bill. So I guess, welcome back to the old neighborhood. Filmed, as I said, in 1971. The car chase, which took 5 weeks to shoot and covers 1 mile of Brooklyn a minute, travels under the Stillwell Avenue line, which is right there, but takes a turn on New Utrecht, or Utrecht as we say in New York, right over here. And this is 14th Avenue right here. Makes this turn, and the character, who, believe it or not, is actually called Frog Number 2, played by Marcel Bazoffi. I'm not great with French, so please, no angry letters. Gets out, runs this way, being chased by Popeye Doyle, as we all know, played by Gene Hackman, who will win an Academy Award for his role. Hackman is playing a character named Popeye Doyle, obviously. Popeye not for the sailor man, but because his eyes were always popping, seeing crimes. But the real-life cop was Eddie Egan. He and Sonny Grasso broke the French smuggling ring, which was worth, in 1968-69, $32 million worth of heroin smuggling. So Marcel is running up the stairs, and Popeye Doyle is such a great, horrible cop, I guess. He shoots him, causing an international incident. Hackman will be right down there doing all sorts of great 1970s method acting, and he'll go on to win the Academy Award, as I said. Now, if you've ever seen the film Bullet with Steve McQueen, that will inspire Friedkin and the other producers of The French Connection to make a better car chase. And what can be better than Bullet? Well, there have to be people in it. And they decided, if you're filming a car chase, where better than in New York City, you fill it with people. So they filmed what was called at speed, meaning if the car is supposed to be 50 or 60, their cars were actually doing 50 and 60. They didn't film necessarily legally, meaning they didn't always know, get permits, and so forth. What'd I do for you people? Come on, come on! Friedkin was one of the breed of method directors who believed that so long as things were real, and if you were chewing the scenery, it didn't matter. So they blew through the neighborhoods at speed and so forth. There were stunt units and things, and so, but it added, of course, to the realism. And it ends here in Bensonhurst, Brooklyn, on the D train. I guess like so many things in life. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.